Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk about the TCS NQT different status and how to check the result. What is the meaning of various status like WAST, offer letter, ILP. So I will cover all those important points. So make sure to go this video completely. Friends, first of all, you can see this is on my screen that this is the screen of latest candidates who have applied. So you can see on 5th of Feb they have applied and registered, and 5th Feb application received, and 20th of Feb applied for drive. Okay, so for this candidate they haven't got any updated to admit card yet, and whenever you get the admit card and after giving the exam, then there might be change of the status. That is, you can see this is the screenshot I have taken from some other channels, and also means this is the status from various things that after getting the applications or after applying or after appearing on the NQT exam, your basically you can say status will be changed from application received to batch. What does it mean? Will this mean that you have been selected? No friends, there is no any clarity regarding that, so whether you have been selected or not, but yeah, there might be positive signs of the selections if your status has been changed from the application received to batch after giving exam. Your friend, why I'm saying this? Because on the basis of various candidates experience, I am saying this point, and I've also covered this part in the previous video too. Okay, but again, don't make any assumption that yeah, you will be selected for sure, because this is just a confirmation that yeah, candidate have successfully appeared for the exams and you have been further proceeded or your application will be further considered. So must comment here, आपका status अभी क्या show कर रहा, students especially those who have given the interview. Okay, and if you haven't checked, must check that from the TCS official website. So this is the offer things. Now whenever you will get the offer letter, then it will show or status will update from the badge to offer letter generated. It means that you will get offer letter for sure, and after that when you will accept, then offer letter accepted, and post that ILP eligible means ILP or initial learning program training will be there. So related to that I will make a dedicated video. Now the main thing that I want to tell here about the confusion that lots of students are getting, that how to check the result. So yeah, I have given the interview for the earlier and I don't got any update from TCS team. So how to check? So one way to check that, yeah, you have to visit to the TCS official website and you can check whether it's status updated or not, and accordingly you can check. And the main thing that if you haven't got any update, no need to worry, you have to be patient, because TCS is a large organization and they basically release the result in different phases. So no need to worry if status has not been updated. Don't be tensed. Okay, and again saying, don't believe on any single company. Keep applying for other off-campus drive and other opportunity. अगर आप एक कंपनी पे लगे रहेंगे भाई कि इसमें मेरा हो जाएगा, so that's not possible, you know very well. Okay, there might be a chance will be there that you will means your examination, your interview all will be fine, but still you will not be selected. So that depends completely on the company and on the interviewer who are taking the interview. So you should be not a worry about this about the things. Okay, now talking about the cutoff criteria, so I have already made a detailed video related to cutoff criteria. So talking a little bit more about on this point, that if you have done well in numerical aptitude around 8 to 10 questions and reasoning around 15 questions and English 15 plus questions, then you are in a safe zones and there is strong chance of getting selected. Okay, but yeah, you should have done some good in coding. Means out of 7 you should have at least passed 4 to 5 test cases, then only there is more confirmation of chances. Again, then it completely depend on that particular day that उस दिन का exam कैसा गया था. So if you want, you can just go through our video related to exam analysis, then you will get clarity that how the pattern or how the cutoff will be decided. It completely depend on the various factor. अगर भाई आपके एग्जाम में ग्राफ डीपी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, then for sure numerical aptitude or verbal or simply aptitude will play a critical role in the selection. So that depend on the performance of other candidates, and various other parameters are there that you can't control. But the main thing that I will tell you, just give your best. Okay, and related to the result, friends, I think one of the candidates just given, but they haven't shared the screenshot yet, but they said that interview result has been out, but there is not any official confirmation yet. So whenever update will come, I will make a detailed video related to that. Okay, I'm just searching for that. So you will soon get the offer letter, I think. Okay, means the result you will get soon, either from the college TPO or from the TCS team itself only, because in this year they are taking their hiring process is too smooth and too fast. So I hope that you will be selected if your interviews gone well. Must share your interview experience if you want, and best of luck to the candidates who have exam further. If you have any query, feel free to ask or connect here. We can also connect on LinkedIn, and if you have some interview in further stages, then I will suggest must fill our mock interview form. We will provide you complete guidance and resume review and all other stuff. So if you want, you can fill, and best of luck to the candidates who have further interview or exam. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.